Hello guys and welcome back. I've decided to make an update to my previous video. I created the one just a few days ago about the company which is called Cadeler, the Danish player in the wind industry who operates vessels helping the wind energy to go forward. So I've decided to make an additional video, kind of update to my previous one. If you didn't watch it, please do so. Just because the company is so small and quite rare in the public market. It's rare because it's not in based in US, because the majority of people follow the American companies. But this one, even if you go to the trading view, where you can see the stock trend, and you open the updates here, latest updates, there is no any updates. But when you go to the web page, as I often say that it's a main source of information for any company, and you go to the news and media, then you see the news were released just today, and the news is that Cadeler expands fleet with delivery of 10th wind turbine installation vessel Wind Mover. And why it's kind of important? Because they did it again quite early. As you see the date of today, Cadeler today announced the successful delivery of Wind Mover, the 10th vessel to join the company's growing fleet of the next generation wind turbine installation vessels. The vessel is delivered ahead of schedule and will, following her mobilization, head directly into operations in Europe. It's quite interesting because if you follow the stock market and economics in general, the majority of headlines and topics are within the AI space at the moment, within the technology, and there is so few news about this segment in particular, the energy segment and green energy to be specific. And looks like it's going behind the scene. If you look, that the vessel has been just delivered and it's going straight directly into operations in Europe. So the things are going, the business is running, as we discussed in my previous video, that again the sentiment is so bad about the wind energy, but everything is going. And what was quite interesting to read, the very last paragraph. With 5 new built vessels delivered this year, Cadeler has doubled its fleet in just 12 months. And it's a company which owns and operates the ships, not phones, not any small stuff, the huge assets. So they added 5 in 12 months. Expanding from 5 to 10 wind turbine installation vessels. By mid-2027, Cadeler will operate 12 vessel fleet, the largest and most versatile installation fleet in the offshore wind industry. And also, if you think about the future of this company, they will have the half of their fleet which consists of the brand new ships. So the main capex, capital expenditure, has been already performed, and these assets, these ships, will run for the next 10-20 years. So the company will be really busy, and for now, even now, in this environment where the wind energy is so struggling, they are occupied, the vessels are heading straight to work after the delivery of the vessel. So it makes me feel very optimistic about the business of this company, and that's why I decided to update with this news to add to my previous video for those who might be interested in to have a look at this company in particular. I think it could be very useful Right, it's unplanned video, supposed to be very short, and I hope it might bring some positive news to those who are following the company. All right, thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.